All right, what's going on, friends? In this video, I'm going to talk a little bit about my I don't know what you call this, my leaf net that I built to go along the side of my pool to catch all the stuff when my pump is on and your pool's like spinning around. And all I have to say is this worked out way better than I ever thought it would work, because within like 30 minutes, everything that was on the top of my pool is in that leaf net, and I'm very happy with it. I want to see how much stuff. I mean, some stuff probably went. Yeah, I still have some in my skimmer. I mean, here's my skimmer. There's a little bit of stuff in my skimmer, but most of it's in that leaf net. Oh my gosh, I guess I should dump that. Now I do have my pool pump on high, so this thing got spinning really fast. I'm gonna have to try this again later, maybe tomorrow or something, because all these dang little, like here in the beginning of the year here in Pennsylvania, at least, I mean for me, it's probably gonna be different depending on what trees you got around your pool. Now I have some cherry trees out here, and they have these little tiny little flowers on them that just fall all over my pool, and it drives me nuts. So let me show you a little bit how I built that, because it's probably going to be a little different on everybody's pool, but hopefully this will give you an idea on what you could do. All right, I'm going to take this out and I'll talk to you a little bit about it, then continue watching, because I'm going to show you how the leaf net didn't fit exactly in this 1-inch PVC. I did end up putting a little screw right back here. There's just a little hole right in there, and I pull this out so I can dump it. And I have a hole in it right here. So I just have this one thing. I have to be really careful I don't drop this in my pool. Yeah, like all this stuff was floating on my pool. So I'm really happy. And this is not even really, it's just stuck on there, and I can't, once it dried, I can't get it off. So like I said, this is all 1-inch PVC. Slide that in there. I can just look down through this hole, see where my hole's at, and line it up. It's like that. Probably something I'm not going to let on here all summer long. Once all this stuff is done falling off these trees, I'll probably take it off. But that really worked slick. That, and I just run my pool, or my automatic robot dolphin pool vac. I don't know if you guys have one of them, but I recommend that everybody, as soon as you buy a pool, just to get one of them robots that vacuum the bottom of your pool, because they are wonderful. I will put one of them down in the description too. If you have a 24-foot round pool like I have, this dolphin pool vac works awesome. All right, this is the heat gun that I'm going to be using. So this is the first time I've ever done this, so if this turns out well, you know, it really wasn't that hard to do. This is a 1-inch PVC. If you just buy the 1.25-inch PVC, it fit over this real easy, but it just, to me, looked too big. So I bought the inch, and the inch just barely is too small. So it only has to stretch over that a little bit. I do have a little thermometer, infrared thermometer, because it's looking like this needs to be about right around 350 degrees, and then it should go right over top of that. I think everybody's going to be a little different. I'm just hoping this video shows you a little bit, or gives you an idea of how you could maybe do yours. Kind of goes down, and I want the water line of my pool to be like right here, so I put that down in there, and I have this on, and it's up like this high. So I think if I shorten it up, it'll be down like that. I think that'll look a little nicer. I think I'm gonna make this shorter. I probably can take this plug out of here. All right, well, I hope this video gave you some ideas on how to maybe build yourself something like I did, so to help keep the top of your water nice and clean. The more stuff you keep off the top of your pool or off the bottom of your pool, the easier it is to going to be able to keep your water nice and clear. So if you like this video, try watching one of my other videos on my pool. I have a video on how to keep your water crystal clear in your pool, and I think that video has like over 400,000 views on it. So it seems like a lot of people really like that, and it's real simple. I don't really do a lot to my pool all summer long. I think something that is very important, you just have to keep up with it. Don't let it go for like a month and decide to try to catch up. If you just do a little bit every day, your pool will stay looking nice. I hope you like this video. Give this video a thumbs up. Please leave me a comment down below. I like to read all them comments, even if it's just where you live. I like reading to see where some of these people live. I know I have people that watch my videos that live all over the United States and also even in some different countries. So God bless and have a great summer swimming in your pool. What's up, girl, huh? What you got? You just rolling some poop? What the heck?